Dentistry is changing, and the way patients experience dental care is changing with it. Virtual care makes it easier to connect with dental professionals from wherever you are, without every concern starting in a waiting room. AI-powered diagnostics can help dental professionals identify potential concerns and review clinical information more efficiently. With tools like MouthCam, patients can see clear images of their teeth and gums and better understand what their dentist sees. Digital tools also make it easier to personalize treatment, visualize potential outcomes, and keep patients involved in their care. From digital records and remote monitoring to connected platforms, information can move with the patient instead of staying in one place. But technology isn't replacing dental professionals. It's giving them better tools to communicate, make informed decisions, and deliver more personalized care. From virtual consultations to smarter diagnostics and connected technology, modern dentistry is becoming more accessible, more personalized, and more connected. This is the future of dentistry, and it's already here with Dentulu.